Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak, yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat, yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last?
Okay, so I'm all done installing this hair, but I feel like I need to add baby hairs. You could totally do it without, but I'm gonna go ahead and add them. So I'm gonna do that really quickly. Just
Time like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love.
guys, I've had this hair for months. It is October and I've had this wig since May, and I'm mad that I didn't put it on sooner. Like, I started working on it and then I kind of just forgot about it. But this is some really good straight hair. And although I didn't show the process, if you guys care to know, and I don't even know, I'm not gonna say I don't know why I did it, but I basically put a relaxer on this hair because I wanted it to be like silky, straight, and flowing, and that is exactly what I got. I mean, the hair probably would have done that on its own. Had I left it alone, probably, I'll never know. I just had seen it somewhere and I was like, oh, let me do it on this wig. So that's pretty much what I did. Like I said, I don't know if it makes a difference or takes away from the hair, how the hair would have originally acted, but that's just a little backstory on what I did to this. So as far as customization, you guys, I did pluck it, bleach it, and that was pretty much it. I don't remember the inches off the top of my head if it's 28 or 30, but check the description box because I'll put I'll always have the correct information down there. Hair is just chef's kiss, you guys, and despite me putting a perm on it, it didn't thin the hair out or anything like that. It's still very nice and full, and I love that. Usually when you start getting into longer lengths of hair, sometimes it's okay unless you get like a really high density, but I promise you, I'm sure this is either 180 or 200. It might just be 180, but it's so thick and so full, so that's good. I was going to give this like a blunt cut at the end, but I decided I'm just going to go ahead and leave it alone. So the ends of the hair are great. There's no issues there or anything. So the knots on this wig did bleach very easy. I didn't have any issues there. It's a standard cap size, so it's like one size fits all. So if you're wondering, is this going to be small head friendly? Yes. Big head friendly? Yes as well. Usually a standard cap size, like I said, is one size fits all. So because the way that it's constructed, like it can stretch, or if you don't need it to stretch because you have a small head, then it'll just keep its form, if that makes any sense. I did also dye this hair jet black. Yeah, that's everything I pretty much did to the hair in terms of customizing and what I altered about it. I'm gonna go ahead and say I don't get a crazy amount of shedding with this hair, which is good. A little bit of snags here and there, mainly back up in this area. That's to be expected with these longer lengths of hair just because of how it falls, and it's constantly rubbing, you know, up against your back area, but it's not like the hair tangles or mats or anything like that. All in all, the hair is very soft and flowy. This is a very super easy install because I did it glueless. All the products that I use, I always have links to where you guys can find them at in my description box. All my installs are always super easy. I try not to overcomplicate things. Just nice and easy is what I prefer. Oh, one thing that I will mention about this wig, just so there's no confusion, because a lot of times people will get a longer length wig and say, oh, it wasn't true to length and the front was short. When you get a wig like this, or of any length that is like longer than 20 inches, it's gonna be a little bit of a line of demarcation between the frontal part of the wig and the actual hair that's sewn on the rest of the wig. And that is because most of these hair companies only use frontals that go up to 20 inches. So if I pull some of the hair to the front here, you will see that this hair stops here while the rest of the hair is way down there. So don't get this wig and think that you're being like gypped or fooled. It's always going to come with the 20-inch frontal or closure piece on it, and then the actual true length of the hair is what's going to be the rest, you know, of the length. So those are pretty much all of my initial thoughts and opinions about the hair thus far. I am going to do an update on this hair, you guys. It might not be a video. I always say come back to the video that you guys initially watched. Sometimes I do leave updates in the description box or in the comment section. It just really just depends if I feel like doing like a whole nother separate video on it. But if really nothing has changed about what I initially said, I'll make sure to usually say that underneath, you know, like I said, the comment section or in the description box of that video. If you guys are interested in this wig, I have all the information down below in my description box. You guys have any questions, leave them down below. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out to watch this video. Quick, simple, straight to the point. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.